You see these fruits of plums, as you can see. Oh, malalaki siya compared to our plums. One tree of plum for us is small, but this one is big. This is for you can this one for export. You see, ayan dami oh. Abundance fruits of plums, and this is the tree of this one tree of plum. Ang daming bunga from down to up. Yan oh. Oh. Yan. Daming bunga. Grabe oh. Oh. Tirik na tirik ang ano bunga. Oh. Ayan, sumayad na sa ano sa yero oh. And this also another tree. Oh. Yan. So these are fruits oh. Medyo maliliit ito compare dito. This is more big. This one. Ay, ang daming bunga doon. Yan. 2 3. There is 2 trees here of plums, and also down there is 1 tree I think, or 2 trees there. Oh, dami oh. Ayan oh. Abundance fruits of plums. As you can see the fruits. Ayan oh. And there are 2 trees of plums here. One this one and also this one. From up to down. Too much fruits. There is also 1 tree of plum. As you can see the fruits. So many fruits. Abundance fruits of plums. Oh, mashallah oh, grabe. Ayan, nagkandahulog na. Oh. But this is smaller than their up. Oh, daming bunga. Oh. Yan oh. Oh, grabe. Grabe. Grabe, daming bunga. Oh. Ayan oh. Oh. Ayan oh. Daming bunga, grabe. Oh. Ayan oh. Malalaki oh, ayan. super dami. Grabing bunga. Compared last year, wala talagang bunga. Zero. Pero ito naman daming bunga. Paano mo kakainin ito? But I have to make dry this one. It will become prunes. And I think this dried plums or prunes very expensive. So, ayan, meron din dito. There is also one tree here. Ayan. There is also one tree here. But little bit here only. Little bit here. Fruits. And there, I was there up before when I make video. Near our field of corn. So I'm here down. This is their house of my sister-in-law. So yan yung isa dito. And then ito yung dalawa. 2 trees here. Ayan. Ito yung puno. And then one over there. So ito yung bunga. Dito na ako sa baba. Ayan. Dami. Ayan doon sa taas. Ayan, grabe daming bunga. I go from that tree of plums, then we go here because there is tree of plums here in front. Yan doon. Ayan punta tayo doon. We'll get one from the tree. Ayan. Ayan, kain tayo ng plum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Kaya lang hindi pa ito masyado, medyo matigas pa. Pero this is good for to make dry prawns. This is good one. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now I'm sitting down here. They give also milkshake. As you can see the background, there is one tree of plum here. Ang daming bunga. Ayan Ayan. Drink tayo ng ng milkshake. Binigyan ako. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Lasa na ng asir. Yan, daming bunga. There is one tree also of plum here. As you can see the fruits, abundance. Fruits of plums. Yan, daming bunga. There is also over there. There is also tree of plum here, but not too much fruits. Let's see. And also over there, hindi na ako bababa doon. Ito yung dito ka bababa And this tree of plum, I remember 4 or 5 years ago when Kabsat Meli, Kabsat Norma, they come here to visit here in our village place. So they get so many fruits of plums in this tree here. Yan. Ang daming bunga din. Oh. Yan. So they have, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7. They have 7 of trees. 7 trees of plums here. My sister-in-law house. Yan, daming bunga. Mm. Yun yung doon. Yung doon. Yung doon, oh. Yan. Oh, dami. Di ba?